Tensions arose at the Presidential Commission of Inquiry appointed to probe into incidents of political victimization today. This was over an interview given to a local weekend newspaper by former Solicitor General Suhanda Gamlath on the legal status of the avant-garde-owned vessel the MV Mahanura.
Counsel appearing for former Director General of the Bribery Commission, Dilrukshi Dias Wickramasinghe, questioned Suhanda Gamlath on what basis he had made comments to a weekend newspaper to claim his client had carried out her duties under political duress. In response, Suhanda Gamlath said he made such a comment based on the telephone conversation said to have taken place between Dilrukshi Dias Wickramasinghe and avant-garde chairman Nishanka Senadipati, which was widely publicised by the media. However, counsel for Dilrukshi Dias Wickramasinghe noted what was released to the media was a tampered audio recording, adding his client had stressed on the need to release the full audio recording to the general public to understand what transpired. President's counsel Kuera de Zoiza, appearing for avant-garde chairman Nishanka Senadipati, noted the relevant audio recording can be handed over to the Presidential Commission on Inquiry on a future date. However, added that as it is a conversation of serious nature, it could be harmful towards Dilrukshi Dias Wickramasinghe. He further said that as it could be harmful to his client, the recording would be handed over to the Presidential Commission on a later date. Former Solicitor General Suhanda Gamlath said privacy laws need to be drafted, adding making public a private conversation between two parties inconveniences the other party. He said Dilrukshi Dias Wickramasinghe had failed to protect the confidentiality of the Bribery Commission when she was serving at the said institution. Former Solicitor General Suhanda Gamlath said when he attended an event at Temple Trees, Dilrukshi Dias Wickramasinghe too was in attendance, in addition to a large number of politicians, government officers and military heads. He noted that he had attended the event upon the instructions of the then Attorney General. The former Solicitor General said summoning officers from the Attorney General's department as well as government officers to Temple Trees to inquire about cases is a violation of the law and that legal associations were silent about it at the time. Thereafter, former Additional Solicitor General Vasantha Navaratna Bandara alleged individuals are engaged in the process of political bootlicking to secure positions and benefits. The Presidential Commission of Inquiry strongly voiced its objection towards the comment. Chairman of the Commission, retired Supreme Court Judge Upali Aberatna, strongly warned Vasantha Navaratna Bandara to refrain from using such language within the Commission. The Commission chairman added Vasantha Navaratna Bandara would be arrested on the charge of obstructing the proceedings of the PCoI and would be produced at the Court of Appeal, therefore urged the senior officer to conduct himself appropriately. Vasantha Navaratna Bandara alleged Suhanda Gamlath needed to release those from avant-garde from the cases filed against them based on the deals with the avant-garde businessmen. President's counsel Kuera de Zoiza, appearing for avant-garde chairman Nishanka Senadipati, objected, and this resulted in another heated conversation at the Presidential Commission of Inquiry. Vasantha Navaratna Bandara went on to note Suhanda Gamlath had an urgent need to file cases against Gotabaya Rajapaksa and several others regarding the avant-garde matter. Vasantha Navaratna Bandara revealed that on the 22nd of January 2015, Suhanda Gamlath had presented him with the file prepared by the Attorney General's Department on the avant-garde matter and said it was the ideal time to file a case against Gotabaya Rajapaksa and several others. He said Suhanda Gamlath on multiple occasions had claimed he was not in good terms with Mahinda Rajapaksa, Gotabaya Rajapaksa and Basil Rajapaksa as he was removed from the post of Secretary to the Ministry of Justice. However, Suhanda Gamlath rejected all these allegations at the Presidential Commission of Inquiry. Further examination of the matter will take place on the 28th of August.